which looks kind of nice, I think. Okay, so I have no clue how this game works. Also, I haven't followed the tutorial. Okay, I can sprint really fast apparently. Ah, okay. I can sprint really fast. I wish I could sprint this fast in real life. How do I make it night? Okay, I can also walk straight through that, apparently. Oh, lots of fireworks. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. Wait, how do I light these? Oh, apparently that's how I light them. Should I run away or should I stand this close? Love that. Love that. Wait, how do I... Can I make it night? Can I make it night? That's the question. My sensitivity definitely needs to go lower, that's for sure. I guess I can't make it night. Honestly, I have no clue. Oh well. How do I rotate it? Oh, okay, and it's gone. Let's light them all. Light them all. What else do we have? More cars, huh? Okay, that's big. What happened to the... Okay. How about this one? Okay, it doesn't seem to do anything. What else do we have? Those are really tiny. Oh, my mouse was stuck. Let's go over here. Oh. Oh yeah, if you would like to leave a comment or subscribe or like or join our harmless not a cult, I promise, Discord community, that would be awesome. Thank you. Super Rattler. So tiny. Sparkler. Huh. What is the biggest thing we have? Excuse me. Better when it's not Thor. What if we just do... What if... Oh, that was my inside my skull. Can we make it night? Oh, I can zoom in apparently. Oh, okay. Freeze deletes the fireworks. Freezes firework position. Okay. Delete. Okay, doesn't work. This gun doesn't work either. Although I have a flashlight. Not sure why or how I would need that. Oh, look at that. Midnight. That's what I mean. T. Apparently it's T. Oh, oopsie daisy. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Clean world. Let's have a clear weather. Okay, let's do it now. Now I have a use for this perfect flashlight that reaches up into the sky. Props. I don't want props. Rockets. Can we? No, we can do a massive rocket. Okay. I guess these are the biggest ones. Seems like. This one. Oh, that's. Oh, it's just a rack to put them in. Okay, I don't care about that. Firecrackers. Scream. I mean, I've never had this much fireworks myself. Okay, it literally just screams, okay. Excuse me? Can we do that again? Excuse me? I didn't know it would blow up. I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning. Light out ground speed at least 200 G of flash. Bit too close. Get tinnitus. Okay, well, I guess I have hearing problems now. You know, these things happen if you stand too close. What is a gold cyber? If not stand close to some happy lights. Steam notifications. Whoa. Dutch blood. Well, I am Dutch. The sky is on fire. Shoot 5 shells with the biggest caliber at once. Whoa. Is that the sky? Well, I guess that is the biggest thing they have. Let's do a shit ton of these. Not even sure if they're like. let's just do 1 brick more to the Viper. I was hoping these were gonna blow up each as well. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Remember, here at my channel, while I appreciate your support with likes and subscribes, there's absolutely no pressure. Your enjoyment matters most, so if you didn't like it, feel free to hit dislike. Your honesty helps me improve. Oh, by the way, check out any of my other videos, or the next video in this series, or something else entirely.